In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter unread emails in Outlook. If your inbox feels crowded and you want to focus only on messages you haven't opened yet, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly where to click, whether you're using the new Outlook, Outlook on the web, or the classic version. Let's start with the new Outlook and Outlook on the web. First, make sure you're in the folder you want to review, like your inbox, but this works in any mail folder. Near the top of your message list, look for the filter control. It often appears as a small funnel icon or the word filter toward the upper right area above your emails. When you click that, a drop-down opens with common options. Choose Unread. The moment you select Unread, Outlook will display only the emails you haven't opened yet, letting you scan and act on what still needs attention. This view is especially helpful when you're short on time and want to concentrate on what's new without scrolling through everything else. If your window is narrow, you might see only the funnel icon and not the word filter. That's normal, the function is the same. Now, if you're using Classic Outlook, the control lives on the ribbon. Make sure you're in the folder you care about, then go to the View tab along the top. Click View Settings, and in the dialog that opens, choose Filter. Inside the Filter window, switch to the More Choices tab. There, you'll see an option labeled Only Items That Are Unread. Select that, then click OK to confirm, and OK again to close the settings. Your folder now shows just the unread items. On a Mac using Classic Outlook, there's often a quicker path. Use Filter by and choose Unread right from that menu. Either way, the result is the same, a clean list of messages you haven't read yet. That's it, fast, simple, and effective. Thanks for watching.